Today, Larry Millete, who's accused of killing his wife Maya, made his first court appearance. His arrest this week came more than 9 months after Maya disappeared.
Our Kasha Gregorczyk is live in Chula Vista with what happened in court today and where the case goes from here. Kasha.
Kathleen, Andrew, today Larry pled not guilty to the charges being brought against him, but we also learned he is being ordered to have absolutely no contact with his 3 children.
I would like to enter a plea of not guilty.
Larry Millete, seen here in a mask and navy blue jumpsuit, seemed to only look toward the judge as he made his first appearance in court Thursday. Millete is accused of murdering his wife, Maya Millete, who went missing on January 7th, the same day she made plans to meet with a divorce attorney. Arrest warrant documents revealed a frantic, desperate state of mind for Larry in the months leading up to Maya's disappearance, including a propensity for violence and the hiring of spellcasters to make his wife stay in the marriage.
And you've advised your client as to the parties that are to be protected under this order?
Yes, I have, Your Honor.
A protective order issued during the brief court hearing prevents Millete from having any contact with his 3 young children. Additionally, the court ordered Millete to turn over any firearms in his possession, as police have noted one .40 caliber gun of Larry's remains unaccounted for.
You can imagine that anyone charged with this crime, if in fact they did it, the government's asking them via the court, hey, turn that weapon over to us. Why would anybody do that? So is it normal? Yes. Do they really expect to get that weapon? Absolutely not.
Former prosecutor and Bay Area criminal defense attorney Michael Cardoza also weighed in on what's next. A bail for Millete could have been set at the arraignment, but instead another hearing has been set for November 4th.
They want a more formal opportunity to actually argue to the court why a bail should be set or he should be released on his own recognizance. I can guarantee you that no judge in San Diego County will give him a release on his own recognizance.
Larry's next court appearance will be here in Chula Vista in 2 weeks on November 4th at 1:30 in the afternoon. In Cardoza's legal opinion, he says if a bail were to be granted, it would likely be millions of dollars for a case like this. Reporting live in Chula Vista, Kasha Gregorczyk, Fox 5 News.
All right, we'll continue to follow this case through the courts.